Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I am Justin Marchipeco, and welcome to my city, the city of Calamba, premier city of growth, leisure, and national pride. Identified at the center of urban growth and development in Calabar Zone, Calamba City is now the regional center and one of the fastest growing cities in the entire country. As the site of over 300 hot spring resorts, it is the country's resort capital and is visited by foreign and local tourists all year round. Being the birthplace of our national hero, Dr. Jose Rizal, we are the pilgrim site of history enthusiasts here and abroad. Along with the other towns of Laguna, it is also a huge showcase of Southern Tagalog craftsmanship with various forms of fine crafts to offer. Today, I will take you on a journey to these places where we will explore and discover the many local arts and crafts and meet the people who skillfully and creatively shape these locally available raw materials into some remarkable products that we can proudly share to the world, including a quick look at the enterprising men and women behind these fast-growing business ventures. All these are in store as we present this special episode of My City, My SM, My Crafts. A joint project of SM, the Philippine Star, DTI's Bureau of Domestic Trade with support from SITEM and NCCA. My City, My SM, My Crafts celebrates the creativity and innovative spirit of Filipino artisans that fashion crafts from indigenous materials.